Hello friends, welcome back. So we have completed the homepage and navbar. So let's close this files and now we will finish register and login page. So let's open register.js and let me close this. Okay, so now we will style this. So inside this div, I will add class name that is going to be bg white. Okay, and then we need height to be screen. Let's save this and let's check it in the browser. If I go on register page, so as you can see, BG is white, okay, and the screen is full. Now let's style this register text. So let's go here and here inside h1 tag, I will add class name that's going to be text blue 500, okay, and text size will be 5XL, and then padding top will be 4. Let me save this, go back. This is good, but I wanted this to be in the center. So what we can do is um, let's add one more div in here after this main div, and let's cut this out and I'll paste it here, okay, at the bottom. So now we can add uh, some classes here. So class name that is going to be container. Save this, go back. So now this will be in the okay. Add one more class. We need to add one more class. So MX auto. So now this will be having some space from left and right. Okay. Then we will style this p tag. So class name that is going to be padding from top and bottom 4, text gray 700, and we also need icon. Okay. So first let's save this and go back. So we are getting some space. Let's do some text LG. Okay, this is looking better. That we can try, but let's add a icon. So let's go to hero icon and here I'll type user. So let's copy this, or you can copy this, maybe whatever you need, you can just copy it and just take this one. And here what I'll do is after the p tag, I'll take a span tag and I'll paste it here. Okay, and this also I'll take it inside a span so that we can make this as flex. Okay, so here I'll do flex, so it will be side by side. Okay, now it is side by side. Now need some space, so space x, let's add 1. Okay, this is looking better, but let's add 2. No, let's keep it 1 only. Okay, this is fine, and this is also looking fine. Now we will style the input. So let's scroll down, and in the inside the form we have input. So here I will add class name that is going to be first we will add shadow, then we need border, then we need rounded. Okay, then we need width to be full, padding from top and bottom 2, padding from left and right we need 3, text color should be gray 700, then we need leading height. Okay, this is for line height. Then I need focus to be outline none, and focus shadow outline, shadow hyphen outline. Okay, save this. Let's go back. Okay, so as you can see, this is what we are getting. Let's add a class here which says margin bottom 4, so we can get some space here. Now as you can see, this is looking fine, this is looking good. Let's copy the class from this input and in paste in every input. Okay, all the inputs will have the same class. Save this. Okay, margin bottom we need, so let's copy this, paste it in every div. Okay, this is looking much better. Now we need to style this register button and this one. Okay, so for registered button, I'll take the same class which I have used in, I think, home page, right? So here I can take this class. No, not button is not required, only the class. Okay, so let's cut this. And here I'll paste it. Let's see what are we getting. This is looking fine. I think we need cursor pointer also. So what we can do is we can add one more class pointer. I think it's cursor pointer, right? So cursor pointer. Okay, this is good. Here also, I think, okay, this is already because we have used button. So in input, we don't have that. And now we will style this. So class name, that is going to be text blue 500, padding left will be 1, and that's it. No, I think so. Okay, everything is blue, so we don't want that. So let's cut this, and what I'll do is I will take this inside a span. Okay, maybe we can just 1 second. Let me close this. We can add class here. Okay, this is looking better. Yeah. So top also we need some padding, right? So let's do it this way only. Padding from top and bottom 1. I think no, this is fine, but here we can add some padding. So last name, that is going to be padding top. It's 2. Okay, we got some space. So this is our registration page. It is looking much better. Okay. Now we will style the login page. It is almost the same. So we'll just copy paste the classes. So let's do it quickly. So here I'll take this class. Let's go to login, and here I will paste it. Okay. Then after that, I'll take a div, one extra div we need, and I'll paste it here. Save this. Let's go back. Copy this class. This one is really quick because all the classes I have wrote, so no need to type it again. Sometimes it is very boring to type all the classes again and again. So now we have this p tag. Okay, so here it is. But I think for login also we need an SVG, right? So what we'll take is login. Okay, we will take this SVG, go back, and we will add this inside a span. So span, and I'll paste it, and this one I'll take inside a span. Okay, let me cut this out, paste it here, save this. Let's see how the registration out there looking good. Now we'll style this form. So this is also very simple. Just copy paste. So let me copy this, go back, paste it, and input. We need all these classes. So let's copy, paste it. Let's do it all one together. So this is done. Copy, paste it here. Button also we need the same classes. So let's come down and let's copy this, paste it here. Then p tag, same to same class, and this one also. Let's copy this, and I'll just paste it here. Okay, let's save this. Okay, so this is looking much better. So let's log in and see also. Okay, so log in. Now it looks okay. This is looking better. So this is our welcome page, and if I log out, it will come to this registration and login. If I go to home page, I can see this. This is looking fine. Register, login, looking much better. Okay, I think we have finished styling for registration and login page as well. So this is it, and thank you.